And action!
Hey guys, we are here at Hey guys, we are here at Queen Wilhelmina State Park, and we are going to be doing the Reservoir Trail today, right down there. Look at these views, y'all. Look. Now, if you want to hike the Lover's Leap Trail, it's down this way. The reservoir is down this way. So, just a little bit of history. This is, you're going to wander to the end of the trail, and you will find the remains of a rock reservoir for which the trail is named. It was the water supply to the original 1898 hotel. Rich Mountain has long been a gathering place for vacationers and sightseers. They were always in need of water. So, yes, and it is marked with orange. So here we go. There's a lot of rocks on this trail, very similar to Lover's Leap. If you've done that trail, or if you've done this trail and haven't done that one, it does have a lot of the same rock formations, rocks on the trail. So it should be about a half a mile to the reservoir, and then a half a mile back. So not too bad. We're not too far from the lodge, and there's a little train that runs through here that you can go for a ride on. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today while I'm here or not, but I'll definitely be back to ride it at some point. But I think it does just take you kind of around, the mountain here, and lets you get to stop and see some of the views of the vistas. So. Hear that? That's the train whistle. Kind of cool. I will have a video, a little short video of the train on my channel. I don't know if it'll be up before this video. Probably so. But anyway, I did do I got to walk inside of one of the original trains that used to come through here. See. There's a walk-in area here for the walk-in campsites there. Like if you are, and then the reservoir, it's this way. This is the way we're gonna go. So you can hike in. So if you're doing like the Washita Trail and you wanted to hike in and camp here, you could. They have walk-in sites for campers or for backpackers as well. So pretty neat. Okay, it's still pretty rocky. Oh, goodness. I'm not sure how much further it is. There it is, right here. Pretty beat. Okay. This looks like this is probably, yeah, this is it right here. Look. There. So I guess that's where they used to get water back in 1898. Pretty neat. Alright, well guys, I'm going to, I know it's probably bad etiquette to sit down on trails, but I am going to sit down for a minute and drink some water before we head back. So, anyway, been pretty cool today. I would say these trails out here are pretty challenging for sure.